How much does Charles Schwab charge per trade? Did you know that Charles Schwab offers commission-free online trades for U.S.-listed stocks and ETFs? Additionally, they provide access to over 4,000 no-load, no-transaction fee mutual funds. Understanding Charles Schwab's fee structure is essential for investors seeking to maximize returns and minimize costs. Charles Schwab charges $0 commissions for online trades of U.S.-listed stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This move aligns with industry trends toward zero-commission trading, making investing more accessible. For options trading, Schwab applies a fee of 65 cents per contract, which is competitive with other major brokers. However, some platforms have eliminated this fee entirely, offering potential savings for high-volume options traders. It's important to note that over-the-counter, OTC, equity trades incur a $6.95 fee per trade, which may affect investors interested in penny stocks. Additionally, broker-assisted trades carry a $25 service charge, which could be a consideration for those who prefer placing trades through a broker. Beyond trading fees, Schwab does not impose account minimums, annual fees, or inactivity fees, reducing barriers for new investors. However, transferring assets out of Schwab incurs a $50 fee for both partial and full transfers, which is a factor to consider when planning account management. One of Schwab's significant advantages is its extensive selection of no-load, no-transaction fee mutual funds exceeding 4,000 options. This variety allows investors to diversify portfolios without incurring additional costs. Furthermore, Schwab's trading platforms, including Schwab.com and the Schwab mobile app, are user-friendly and equipped with robust research tools, enhancing the trading experience. Customer support is available 24/7, providing assistance whenever needed. However, some investors have noted that Schwab's interest rate on uninvested cash is relatively low, at 0.45%. This rate may be less competitive compared to other brokers offering higher yields on idle cash balances. Additionally, while Schwab's options contract fee is standard, investors engaging in high-volume options trading might find more cost-effective alternatives elsewhere. In summary, Charles Schwab's commission-free trades for U.S.-listed stocks and ETFs, along with a vast selection of no-transaction fee mutual funds, make it an attractive choice for many investors. The absence of account minimums and inactivity fees further enhances its appeal. However, fees associated with OTC trades, broker-assisted trades, and asset transfers, as well as the relatively low interest on uninvested cash, are important considerations when evaluating Schwab as a brokerage option.